Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Winter 2018 Fabfitfun box. It is a subscription box that comes every season, so they have one for spring, summer, fall, and winter. So yeah, this is the winter box. I'm going to be unboxing this one. It's $49 for the box. Yeah, anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna start unboxing, and let's see what I got this month. This is what it looks like when I first open it. Comes with a magazine. It tells you what's in the box. So they have one for all members, which all members choose 3 products of, so they have like 2 choices and they can pick the product that they want rather than another product. And then for the select members, they get to choose, I think, 3 other products that not all members can do because they have the seasonal membership. So you can do the monthly or the seasonal, which is the seasonal you pay for all 4 boxes for the full year. For the regular members, you can just pay the $49 every time the box comes up. So for the first item, I don't know where to start here. Okay, so I'll start with this. So I got the Mark & Graham Color Block Throw. It came in gray ivory or natural ivory. So it looks like I got the brown ivory one. So it looks like this. So that was the first one. And this one was $49. So retail value was $49 for this blanket. Which is basically the price of the box, if you think about it. So it's kind of worth your money. No. So that was the first item. Okay, so the next item I got was the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask, which it looks like this is, it's intense care for dry and damaged hair. Pure argan oil. It's a mask, it's a hair mask. So I could have either got the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask or the Bear Paw Combo Set Headband and Pop Top Glove Duo. I'll show you guys a picture of that. So I either could have got this one or this one. And I got to choose that one, so I chose the hair mask. So both retail value of the Bear Paw combo was $45 and the Moroccan Gold mask was $49. So I kind of got a better deal. And I'll probably be using this because my hair is super damaged. So that's the next item. The next item is I could have either gotten, I got to choose this one. So I either could have got to choose the Hallstone Jewelry Portfolio, the Orb Gold Lush Dry Shampoo, or the Silver Circle Necklace. So these were the 3 options here, and each retail value was, the Jewelry Portfolio was $48, the Dry Shampoo was $44, and the Silver Necklace was $49. I ended up choosing the Jewelry Portfolio. I feel like that was the best one out of all of them that I was going to use because I don't really have use for the necklace because I have necklaces, and the dry shampoo, I could just buy dry shampoo. It's not that, you know. So I think that I would have had more use in the Jewelry Portfolio, which was this one. Okay, so I didn't realize it was gonna be like this big. I thought it was smaller, but anyways. So it looks like this, and then on the inside. So on the inside, you could put like your earrings here, like you organize all your jewelry, which it's like good for travel. Like if you're going on vacation and need to bring like jewelry, and you don't want to put it all in like a box or something, this is a great way of like organizing it, so you can bring it, or you can like use it at home and organize all your jewelry if you don't have a jewelry box or anything. So here's for earrings, I believe, and then there's like a little zip pouch here, which is kind of cool. I guess that's just for other stuff. And then it folds over. There's little clips to put your necklaces and bracelets, and it just keeps everything organized. So I kind of really like this, and I'm glad I chose this one over all 3 of them. So this was a good choice for me. You know, other people have different opinions on the items that they chose. These worked more for me, so these are the ones I chose. So that was the Jewelry Portfolio. And then the next one is, here we got to choose the Rena over the sock knee textured sock, which retails at $24. The Sherry Matthews Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller, which was retail for $45. Or the Pure Be Yourselfie palette, which retails for $36, which is an eyeshadow palette. And I ended up choosing the eyeshadow palette because I thought I would get use out of this the most rather than the socks or the acupuncture roller. So it looks like this. And then open it. It comes with 9 colors, but it's just like a neutral palette. So I really like this. So then the next thing I got was, there was another 3 choices. So you could either choose the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Lipstick in Meringue, which retails at $26. The Chicken Tonic All Coast to that 4-piece coaster set, which retails for $18. Or the Brook Bark Body Sliders that retails for $18. And the purples, actually I just realized I didn't get to choose. So the purples I don't choose because I'm not a seasonal member, I'm just a regular member. So I got to choose only the blues. So the purple I didn't get to choose, so it's whatever they give you. And the one they gave me was, I ended up getting the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Lipstick in Meringue. So I actually really like this. I'm glad I got this one over. I wouldn't mind the coasters, but I probably wouldn't have use in the body sliders. So I'm glad I got this one because I'll probably use this. Oh, it's just a nude color. Well, then the next item, well, I didn't get to choose either, which they either gave you the Way of Will Elevate Essential Oil Set, Sweet Orange and Eucalyptus Oil. So they're just essential oils. Or the Anthropologie X Mercy & Co. Sea Whip Body Cream in Coconut Sugar. So the essential oils retail for $31, and the Anthropologie Body Cream retails for $24. So they both look like this. So I didn't get to choose these ones either. And I got the essential oil set. So I got these. And then the 3 last items I got, every member gets these. In every box, all members get these items in the box, which are the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. So it looks like this. It's kind of like a highlighter. Yeah, here, highlighting stick. There you go. For your eyes. So that was pretty cool. So that retailed for $24. The next item all members got, was the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask, which retails for $33. So these are the 3 items. I'm on this one right now. So this was the cream mask. So it's a hydration face mask. Okay, so it just hydrates the skin. I guess you just leave this on for like, what, 3 to 5 minutes. So that one retailed for $33. I like masks, so it comes to use for me. So the last item in the box was the Black Hydrogel Eye Mask, and this one retailed for $29. So yeah, that was the last item in the box. That's all that was in the box for the Winter 2018 Fabfitfun box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it helped you either purchase your winter box or purchase another box, or helped you figure out if you wanted the Fabfitfun box or a subscription box that you were looking for. So I hope that helped, and I will see you guys in my next unboxing video.